GVL Narsimha Rao, is there a sense that
No, I
every
thought it was
time...
for me. Sorry, I thought it was for me.
Okay, every time Rahul Gandhi makes a comment, I see BJP leaders immediately rushing in to respond, including the law minister. You too should allow the law to take its own course. Why intervene?
Rajdeep, I believe that that question was to me.
Rahul, I think far from...
all right.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, GVL.
Rajdeep, far from Rahul Gandhi getting under the skin of our leadership, Rahul Gandhi is actually painting himself into a corner. He has made these comments, you see, he and Congress leaders have abused Prime Minister 1,000 times. They have called him a number of names. We have never dragged them to the court. We never took them to the court. We could have really used defamation law against Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and a dozen Congress ministers. But we never did this because we suffered. Okay, this is part of politics. He doesn't believe in politics of any dignity. It's okay. But this here, you're tarring an entire, you're defaming an entire community, and that was the reason, and somebody went. It was not Prime Minister Modi who went to the court. And as regards Mr. Jaitley, this comparison is completely invalid. Mr. Jaitley was going to the court to file a defamation against somebody. He was not accused of defaming anybody, number one. Number two,
So why did you have to be there?
Going to the court in Delhi next door is different from Chief Minister giving up their job in their states, going at public cost. I think they should bring up.
Wow.
Why did they go all the way to Surat?
Hypocrite.
All the way to Surat, abdicating their responsibility as Chief Minister. I think it's an insult to the people of Chhattisgarh. It's an insult to the people of Rajasthan.
Rajdeep, can I please
they have not elected the chief ministers of Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh and Himachal Pradesh to go and defend their leader in a court in Surat.
Okay, we've heard...
This is clear abdication.
We've heard 2 points of view there. No, ma'am. Just a minute. Okay, we've heard 2 points of view. Rahul Srivastava is listening. Just a minute, ma'am. No, I'll let you come back. Ma'am, just a minute.
Illogical statement.
No, I'll let you call it out if you feel it's illogical later, but Rahul... No, Rahul Srivastava has been waiting patiently, and I want to get a neutral political perspective to what you're seeing, Rahul Srivastava. We are seeing this now playing out for more than a month, and there's a sense that Rahul Gandhi has become, like it or not, the focus of the narrative. The BJP believes it's to their advantage, the Congress will believe it's to their advantage. How is this playing out in your view, Rahul Srivastava? Is the BJP feeling that Rahul Gandhi is getting under their skin, could get some sympathy? Or is the Congress misplaced in putting so much, all their eggs in Rahul Gandhi's basket?
Rajdeep, before I answer your question, one thing I want you to do is, GVL Narsimha Rao to do, is say with a straight face that 3 chief ministers and some congressmen going to Modi's Gujarat with 156 assembly seats and all Lok Sabha seats actually intimidates the judiciary there. That one point needs to be noted. The second is, Rajdeep, you are bang on. You see, there are 2 elements. One is the narrative. The narrative which the BJP is driving, because it does want a narrative with Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party in it. That's the national narrative that it wants to be playing, because in the coming days there are states which will go to election which has the Congress. The opposition's other parties are slightly more difficult to negotiate as far as the BJP is concerned. So Rahul Gandhi zaruri hai, Congress zaruri hai. In that, definitely, Rajdeep, one can see that one, the Bharat Jodo has given the Congress certain amount of confidence. The second is a sympathy factor. That there is a sympathy factor at play. Whether that crosses over into the BJP's vote bank, or is it right now is strongly into the Congress vote bank and the opposition vote bank or the vote against Modi, that's one thing to be analyzed. But if the idea is to get sympathy, Rajdeep, then the disqualification was most likely the Rahul Gandhi could have resigned more. You know, it could have added much more. Ye dil mange more. Today,
so you're saying like Indira Gandhi, many years ago insisted that she be handcuffed.
No, I'll tell you the exact date, Rajdeep. I'll give you the exact date. On the 3rd of October 1977, in 2 cases, one ONGC and one Jeep case, Indira Gandhi arrested along with 4 ministers, PCCT and others. She goes to the court after 16 hours on the 4th of October, that whole drama, and it becomes the first cardinal mistake by the Janata Dal government led by Morarji Desai. Now, in this scenario, if he had resigned, today, if he gets arrested, See, one thing very interesting, that he has been exempted from appearing in the hearings. What does that mean, Rajdeep? That Rahul Gandhi will not, the whole thing will not be in public sight. Rahul Gandhi will not be there in Surat. Today, if they went to Surat, they could have made it bigger and better. Now, the problem here is that at a time when the BJP is pushing Rahul Gandhi and Congress